Begins with Tucker Enzminger. Great looking picture right there. Tucker turning 5, and he is in Moran.
And then we have Ellie Anderson, who's 7 strong this year. Giving some love to the horse in that picture. In Fort Scott. Happy birthday, Elsie.
Mount up, let's ride. Cadence Whitworth celebrating 12, and doing so with Santa. I'm not sure. Cadence must know people to have that picture pulled off right there. Cadence, a very happy 12th birthday, and I want you to know that this comes with love from Mimi. She is in Chanute.
And I'm sure by now she's moved from the naughty list to the nice list.
We're hoping, because Cadence, you are on the clock. We've got like 2 days left.
Love that smile. All right, Ashton Level, turning 26 years old this year. Happy birthday to Ashton in Arma.
And in Oswego, Melinda Gatewood celebrating her 48th birthday. It's going to be a great weekend. Jump on in and go for a ride right there. Happy birthday, Melinda.
That looks like a fun ride, yeah. And with birthday wishes coming from Corbin, Emmy, Evelyn, and Dad in Pittsburgh, going out to Hillary Blackburn. Happy birthday, Hillary.
We've got a very special birthday right here. This is Miss Anna Rose, and Anna is celebrating her 100th birthday. She's at Medical Lodges in Fort Scott. And Miss Rose, number one, a very happy birthday from all of us here at KOAM. And I want you to know that additional happy birthday wishes are upon you from your granddaughter, Tina. So let the party commence in Fort Scott for Anna Rose, please.
All right. And then we have Lori Kleins from Edna, Kansas. Happy birthday to Lori. And we've got an anniversary wish going out to Tom and Yvonne Gettle. Yvonne actually had a birthday last week, so her anniversary is this week. They've been married for 49 years now in Columbus.
Well, Tom's got a busy week right there. He's got a birthday, he's got an anniversary, he's got Christmas. And I hope Yvonne just has a chance to sit back and kick it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is her month.
Yeah. So Yvonne, hopefully hopefully you are relaxing on your birthday, anniversary, and Christmas weekend.
49 years, I hope they both are relaxing today.
Yeah. Oh no, Tom's still got to make this happen.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, he's still got it. That's it. How do you think they got to 49 years?
Very true.
There you go, right there. All right, here's where you can send them into KOA birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also go to our website, KOAMNewsNow.com. And speaking of our website, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses and even be registered for a prize. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com. Sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.